What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about holiday purchases that I made, some tech, some not, and all of these were responsible purchases as an adult. No, seriously, I think all of us can kind of relate to making holiday purchases or gifts or catching things on sale. And I've been meaning to make this video for a minute, but as I was getting the items, the business of the holidays, I wanted to just leave everything in the boxes so I could just do them all at once, and it's just taking a lot longer than I intended to. And as I go down this list, make sure you comment below what were some of your holiday purchases. I definitely love to hear how responsible everybody else was being with their finances over Christmas. The first thing I'm actually going to talk about is exactly what I'm wearing. This is from Lab Culture, a brand by Johnny Hochstetler. Talked to pass me about the unboxing experience for it. Now this is Lab Culture. It is by a creator by the name of Johnny Hochstetler, goes by Jayhawk. He's had phrases like locked in the lab or lab culture is a sign that he has in like the background of his videos. He started his own brand called Lab Culture, where he's launched a couple of crew necks and shirts and hats, and he's launched some clothes with it that comes with just different shirts or hats like this one. Ooh, that's kind of cold. A little personal card, that's a nice touch. I don't know, y'all, I'm thinking about getting more in my hat game. What do y'all think? Sick little long sleeve. The back is really where the design is at. I love that green. I can't remember what the second shirt I had was. And a really dope sweatshirt. Oh my God. And that red just pops. I'm gonna have to try this bad boy on. Ooh, what y'all think? It's comfy. I know that red gotta be popping though, right? Oh, wristband and some cool stickers too. Overall, I'm excited to rock these, and I'm excited to see what else Lab Culture does going forward too. I've worn this pullover sweatshirt a couple of times since unboxing it and kind of trying everything on. It is super comfortable and actually does keep me relatively warm, with it being a lot cooler. I think it's like 38 degrees today in the Carolinas. So yeah, genuinely rock with that. Another thing that I went through and got was an SD card case, some wireless mics, and a new mount. So let's go and take over a look at those. Links to everything that I'm talking about, by the way, will be down in the description box below. For a quick second, we're gonna look at a couple of things that I purchased during the Black Friday holiday season. First, we got this KMC series memory card case, because I am always complaining about my SD cards just getting shuffled around in the pocket of my bag. Yeah, that is really nice. And now I will not have any complaints about where to keep my SD cards. Yeah, so this is really gonna come in handy. I don't have any of my SD cards handy right now, so we'll circle back to that. I got our hands on the Hollyland Lark M2s. I know I'm a little bit late to this game. I specifically wanted a pair of these because there's a stark difference between them, at least the way that they're kind of set up versus the Rode Wireless Pros, which is what I'm using right now. And that is that the Hollylands just seem a bit more set up for like phone usage. And that is their difference between like their camera setup and the mobile setup that they have. Because this little thing right here is much more convenient than the cord that I have to have for my Rode Wireless Pros. Compact size is really awesome. So yeah, these are gonna be pretty sick when it comes to recording just using my phone instead of having the full camera setup. I felt like, and Rode probably makes a wireless transmitter, but I also wanted to be able to test the differences of like the utility of each microphone. And last, we got this little car stand from Newer. I'm gonna be getting a little bit more into trying to do stuff on the go and out and about, and so I wanted one of these suction car stands. I had a little fiasco with the car stand in my car for my phone, and I figured you can also attach a phone to this, and it's got the suction right there, and you'll be able to just bop that right onto the car and it's not going anywhere. So I figured I could put my actual camera in the car as well as attach a phone stand to this and be able to have my usual phone usage, watching GPS and stuff like that. Yeah, the Newer stand's pretty cool because it'll be able to use my camera, and it's got this action cam attachment right here, but I also figured that I'd be able to attach this phone stand and use it regularly on the go when I'm using GPS, things like that. I'd be able to have the phone on there for the usual, screw it off, attach the regular camera when I want to get like a nice cool like vlog shot. So yeah, these are all little gear accessories that I got around Black Friday or the holidays, and I've been meaning to get a video out just doing a mass unboxing, but I got sick and kid got sick and things just slowly escalated, so it just took some time to finally get around to getting this footage and going over these items. And I believe that there's more to check out that future me you've already seen is probably shown or gonna be going over as well. Real quick, I just wanna interrupt talking about some of the holiday purchases. Again, to remind you to let me know what are some holiday purchases that you really enjoyed, tech, clothing, shoes, otherwise, that you'd like to share. I'm just curious how other people go about dealing with sales and stuff. Does it make it hard for people to get you things for Christmas because you're catching them on sale yourself? And after you do that, be sure hit the like button on the video if you're enjoying, hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around for future videos. It really means a lot for the channel and it's absolutely free. Now this next item was a little bit of a bigger item. I wasn't even able to set up a good shot to kind of talk through and unbox it, but you're actually seeing it used in this video right now. It is the GVM light kit. Now I've been looking at getting a more professional light for a minute, hopefully to just bring easy, good lighting to this room that's not necessarily just what we would call the house lights, but not always having to turn on every single one of my smaller key lights or use a ring light that's gonna not look good in my glasses. One of the particular reasons that I like this was it's called the GVM light kit. And you know, a lot of times you can see a really good light and then you have to separately buy your diffuser afterward. And I don't know, I have a particular thing about the like dome style diffusers. So I decided to go with this one because it had that. Actually, I think it's not dome style, it's just lantern. Looks like this might be what we need for the lantern. I genuinely think after getting this, it's gonna be the only light that I actually need. Who reads instructions? I mean, would you look at that? Cords, and I also like this will be a little travel bag when I need it. Although I will be honest, this is probably entirely for my recording office space alone. I'm really trying to dial this in this year. Let me know if you guys want to see more about like the setups that I'm trying to do, what areas I tell them to film what in. Like if you found me through skits, where I typically like to use for my skits and what all you see in those videos, or anything that you see from my stream setup, twitch.tv/jfriesian, link in the description below. And then that looks like our lantern. So let's get this thing put together. Okay, what y'all think? There's a little bit of mooting. I have no clue what I'm twisting. Okay, so that's brightness. White light action. I mean, shoot, let's see what happens. We crank it up to 100. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then that dial looks like it changes the hue, giving it some orange, some yellow, green. Let me see. Doesn't look green actually, as I'm showing you. So I don't know, the best bet for this is probably gonna be to control it with the app. But this is nice. And obviously if you're watching this, you're seeing how the lighting is on that now. The $200 to get this light that I can control with an app on my phone, as well as the softbox, instead of that having to be a separate purchase, was really great. Assembly was super easy, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna utilize it. What it allows me to do is make it so that I don't have what we call the house lights on in this room anymore. So I'll be able to control the lighting overall better between that and things like my Elgato Key Light Mini or Key Light Air that I use for videos as well as just like a lamp over off in the corner of this room. So yeah, all lights control my phone. Granted, different apps for all of them, but that's neither here nor there. Now the GVM light kit, when I checked Amazon last, says that it goes for $230. It was on sale for about $205 during Black Friday. And I'm hoping that because I've been waiting on it for so long, like when I tell you I've been looking at getting a big dome light for like 2 years now. I'd like to think of it as like $100 of the years that I was waiting was saved towards it. So I'm definitely hoping that it makes a difference in the long run. Gonna be wrapping this up because I'm losing my voice here. But the last thing was actually another fashion wear type of thing, which was a jacket from another brand slash two creators, podcasters that I love listening to. I'd almost totally forgotten about this. I believe this, it is. Yeah, this is a jacket that I got right before the holidays, coming from, so y'all can read that. It says Shits and Gigs. They weren't kidding when they said that these jackets were coming in premium packaging. Now, they wore these bomber jackets on their tour, and I was so jealous, and I'm so glad that they dropped them for the public. It's got their show logo, got CB. I do wish I could have got one that just had my name, because there's had, you know, James and Fu out on it, but you know, it is what it is. Got the different stuff, Daddy's Home from their tour, Log Cabin from one of their tours, Memory from the Biggest You've Ever Had, their show at the O2, Classic Love, 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 SNG, followed by Gang, Gang, Gang. So yeah, really, really dope jacket. I'm actually gonna try it on. I mean, what y'all think? It's kind of fire, ain't it? You know what I'm saying? A lot of these were very miscellaneous accessories that I'm hoping are gonna be really great and overall help my workflow as a content creator. The light, being able to have much more diffused light and control over my lights when it comes to making videos. Suction cup mount to hopefully start doing things that involve going places with my camera, utilizing it in the car safely. The SD card case is for sure getting put to good use, because guys, when I tell you I don't have that many SD cards, but it's enough to the point that I get so tired of trying to figure out where to put them. So this has already been getting some good use. I'm gonna be putting the SD card I'm using to record this right back in there when I'm done. Reminder before I head out that links are down in the description below to anything that I've talked about if you would like to look into it for yourself as a future purchase. Definitely don't have to wait until Black Friday or the holidays. There'll be some things by the middle of the year. Prime Day, I'm gonna be keeping my eye out for what's happening during the sales and that time. And overall, I just hope that this was a little fun video for you to watch. It was definitely fun for me to make, and a different direction that I'm hoping to take the channel to utilize different aspects of my life when it comes to making content, because it's not all just about sitting and recording, playing games, or going through and doing trailer reactions and breakdowns. Some of it incorporates getting these small things that you never really see to make my life easier as I create new videos. Thank you so much if you stuck around this far. If you did, comment down below. I'm bad with my money. I just want to see who makes it that far. And I guess it just kind of goes with the theme of spending during the holidays on yourself. If you guys will excuse me, I'm gonna get back to playing some Marvel Rivals, because that's what I was doing, and then I was like, I really should record this video. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.